Ever wonder which kitchen gadgets are actually worth your money? In today's video, we're counting down the top 20 kitchen gadgets on Amazon worth every penny. From smart, futuristic tools to simple inventions that seriously level up your cooking game. These gadgets save time, boost efficiency, and make everyday cooking way more fun. Stick around till the end. You won't believe what made the top spots. Number 1. Emson robotwist automatic jar opener. The Emson robotwist automatic jar opener takes the frustration out of opening tight lids. Simply place it on the jar, press a button, and let the motorized grip twist the lid open effortlessly. It automatically adjusts to different jar sizes and requires no hand strength at all. Ideal for seniors or anyone with limited grip, this compact gadget is safe, quiet, and easy to store, making everyday kitchen tasks stress-free. Number 2. Fullstar 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. The Fullstar 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper makes food prep faster and cleaner. With sharp stainless steel blades and interchangeable inserts, it allows you to chop, dice, and slice vegetables in seconds. The built-in container catches everything neatly, reducing countertop mess. Perfect for salads, meal prep, and quick cooking, this durable and easy-to-clean chopper saves time while delivering consistent, professional-looking results every time. Number 3. Sungwoo Extra Long Silicone Oven Mitts. Sungwoo Extra Long Silicone Oven Mitts provide superior heat protection with added wrist and forearm coverage. Made from heat-resistant silicone, they offer a strong, non-slip grip for safely handling hot pans and trays. The waterproof, stain-resistant design makes them incredibly easy to clean after use. Whether baking, grilling, or roasting, these durable mitts deliver comfort, safety, and confidence in any high-heat cooking situation. Number 4. Chefman 1.2-liter Electric Glass Kettle. The Chefman 1.2-liter electric glass kettle boils water quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for tea, coffee, and instant meals. Its clear glass body with LED lighting looks stylish while letting you monitor the boiling process. Features like automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection ensure safe daily use. With a cordless design and easy pour spout, this kettle combines speed, safety, and modern kitchen style. Number 5. Otstar Multi-Jar and Bottle Opener. The Otstar Multi-Jar and Bottle Opener is a simple but powerful tool for opening stubborn jars and bottles. Its adjustable design fits multiple lid sizes, while the ergonomic grip provides extra leverage with minimal effort. Ideal for seniors or anyone with weak hands, this lightweight opener requires no batteries and stores easily in a drawer. It's an affordable kitchen essential that makes daily tasks easier. Number 6. Stirmate Automatic Pot Stirrer. Gen 3. The Stirmate Automatic Pot Stirrer. Gen 3 lets you cook hands-free while it continuously stirs your food. Simply place it in the pot and let it prevent burning and sticking while you multitask. With adjustable speed settings and a heat-resistant design, it's perfect for sauces, soups, and gravies. Easy to clean and battery-powered, this gadget is a must-have for busy home cooks. Number 7. Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler. The Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables fast and effortless. With just one button, it automatically peels potatoes, apples, and more with consistent results. There's no need to handle sharp blades, making it safer than manual peelers. Ideal for large meals or frequent cooking, this easy-to-use gadget saves time and reduces prep work in any busy kitchen. Number 8. Basesmall Weighted Utensils Set. The Basesmall Weighted Utensils set is designed to improve comfort and control during meals. The added weight helps reduce hand tremors, making it easier for users with arthritis or limited motor control to eat independently. Ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, while the durable, food-safe materials ensure long-term use. Dishwasher safe and practical, this set proves how thoughtful design can improve everyday dining experiences. Number 9. Aosion 6 Quart Stainless Steel Stock Pot. The Aosion 6 Quart Stainless Steel Stock Pot is perfect for soups, stews, pasta, and batch cooking. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting durability. The large capacity makes it ideal for family meals, while sturdy handles and a tight-fitting lid add safety and convenience. Compatible with multiple stovetops and easy to clean, this pot is a reliable kitchen essential. Number 10. Kitchinventions Pan Buddy Handle Support. The Kitchinventions Pan Buddy Handle Support reduces wrist strain when lifting heavy pans. It clips easily onto pan handles and provides balanced support underneath, making pouring safer and more controlled. Especially useful for cast iron cookware, this heat-resistant accessory is lightweight and simple to use. Small but effective, the Pan Buddy improves comfort and safety, helping you handle heavy cookware with confidence. Number 11. Pzotruf Automatic Touchless Soap Dispenser. The Pzotruf automatic touchless soap dispenser adds hygiene and convenience to any kitchen. Its smart motion sensor releases soap instantly without touching the surface, helping reduce germs and mess while cooking. The adjustable dispensing level lets you control soap usage, preventing waste. With a sleek, modern design, it fits perfectly near sinks or countertops. Easy to refill and battery-powered, this dispenser keeps hands clean and makes everyday kitchen tasks more sanitary and hassle-free. Number 12. Koios 1000-watt immersion hand blender. The Koios 1000-watt immersion hand blender delivers powerful blending performance in a compact design. Its strong motor and stainless steel blades effortlessly blend soups, sauces, smoothies, and baby food directly in the pot or cup. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable control, while variable speed settings offer precision. Detachable parts make cleanup quick and simple. Ideal for everyday cooking, this hand blender saves space while offering professional-level results at home. Number 13. Yarramate Glass Olive Oil Sprayer. The Yarramate Glass Olive Oil Sprayer helps you control oil usage with precision. Its durable glass body evenly sprays olive oil, vinegar, or cooking oil without pouring excess amounts. This makes it perfect for air frying, grilling, roasting, and salad dressing. The fine mist improves coverage while supporting healthier cooking habits. Easy to refill and clean, this sprayer is a simple but effective tool that reduces waste and keeps cooking mess-free. Number 14. Kpkitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser. The Kpkitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser makes pouring batter clean, easy, and accurate. With a simple squeeze handle, it releases batter smoothly for evenly sized pancakes, waffles, muffins, or cupcakes. The controlled flow prevents spills and messy countertops. Made from durable materials and easy to clean, it's ideal for family breakfasts and baking sessions. This dispenser saves time, improves consistency, and makes cooking more enjoyable. Number 15. Shinelingee Oven Rack Puller Tool. The Shinelingee Oven Rack Puller Tool lets you safely move hot oven racks without risking burns. Designed from heat-resistant material, it securely grips oven racks so you don't need bulky oven mitts. Lightweight and easy to use, it provides better control when checking or removing food. Compact enough to hang or store easily, this tool is perfect for frequent bakers who want extra safety and confidence in the kitchen. Number 16. Gorilla Grip Heat Resistant Meat Chopper. The Gorilla Grip Heat Resistant Meat Chopper is perfect for breaking up ground meat quickly and evenly. Made from durable, heat-resistant nylon, it's safe for non-stick cookware and withstands high temperatures. The angled blades mash meat efficiently, ensuring even cooking and better texture. Comfortable to hold and dishwasher safe, it also works for mixing sauces or mashing soft foods, making it a versatile kitchen essential. Number 17. Aroma 6 Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma 6 Cup Rice Cooker makes cooking rice simple and stress-free. Just add rice and water, press a button, and it cooks automatically to perfect texture. Once finished, it switches to keep warm mode to prevent overcooking. Compact and easy to clean, it's ideal for small families, dorm rooms, or meal prep. Beyond rice, it can also cook soups, grains, and one-pot meals effortlessly. Number 18. Bumet Electric Food Processor Chopper. The Bumet Electric Food Processor Chopper speeds up meal prep with one-touch operation. Its sharp blades quickly chop vegetables, nuts, onions, and herbs into consistent pieces. The compact design saves counter space, while removable parts make cleaning fast and easy. Perfect for daily cooking, it reduces manual effort and prep time. Whether you're cooking small meals or prepping ingredients in bulk, this chopper delivers reliable performance. Number 19. Spring Chef Swivel Vegetable Peeler. The Spring Chef Swivel Vegetable Peeler offers smooth, effortless peeling with minimal waste. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel blade swivels to follow the shape of fruits and vegetables, reducing strain on your hands. The ergonomic, non-slip handle provides excellent control and comfort. Durable and dishwasher safe, this peeler is built for daily use. A simple but high-quality tool that makes food prep faster and more enjoyable. Number 20. Joyhill Digital Kitchen Timer. The Joyhill Digital Kitchen Timer helps you cook with accuracy and confidence. Its large digital display is easy to read, while the loud alarm ensures you never miss cooking times. The magnetic back allows it to attach to refrigerators or ovens for quick access. Simple button controls make it easy to use for baking, boiling, or multitasking. Reliable and compact, this timer is a must-have for precise cooking. If you enjoyed our top 20 kitchen gadgets on Amazon worth every penny, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment your favorite gadget below and check the links to upgrade your kitchen with smart, time-saving tools you'll actually use every day.